Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Separate and Cypher's channel.
Yay!
Alright, so today we have CHASMOSAURUS, guys. Also, I would like to welcome the new subscribers here to our channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. So today we have the CHASMOSAURUS right here. It is from Chaos Theory. We will unbox it and we will review it. But first, we will see Kenner's CHASMOSAURUS back in, let's see, look at that, 1997. It says right there. 97, my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go, 1997. So when you pull the leg, it has a gore action right there. No sound. The sound doesn't work anymore. It's been ages already. So I'm sure that even you put new batteries, it won't work. So this is what it looks like back then, the CHASMOSAURUS. And of course, we have the new CHASMOSAURUS here that I repainted. The color is inspired from Beasts of the Mesozoic from Creative Beast Studios. Look at that crest, huh? So this is where it came from. This is from Creative Beast Studios. This is their CHASMOSAURUS. This is where the color came from. They also have the green one. I'm just gonna buy that, but not get the orange version because obviously this one is here. So their CHASMOSAURUS doesn't have any horns for some reason. He only has one. However, Mattel has 3. Look at that. I colored already. See that? Look at that, huh? Not bad, right, guys? I even got the blue color right there in its eye. Right there, look at that. See? There you go. Yeah. So when you pull it up, it won't come off anymore because of the paint, but this one still works. The gore action still works. There you go, see? You push that right here. There you go. Alright, now we'll go to our main topic. The original CHASMOSAURUS. Let's open it up. Actually, let's check the box first. Strike Attack CHASMOSAURUS. Alright, there you go. So we already reviewed the Gastonia and the Monolophosaurus. We haven't done the Dilophosaurus yet. That will come in the next few days. Head striking action. Alright, let's unbox it. Alright, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the last video, that Giganotosaurus Hammond collection. It was great. Okay, so here's our original CHASMOSAURUS. You push it right here. It gores. Here's a DNA scan. There you go. Go ahead and scan it. Yep. Nice. Alright, so this is what it looks like compared to the Beasts of the Mesozoic. So there it is. So this back then looked like this. Okay, I just painted it and finished it yesterday. So you gore it, there you go. Yeah. Huh? I think I did this one look better now than the original. Look at that. Okay. Let's see the back. Look at that. See? There you go. Now we have 3 CHASMOSAURUses. Going to be 4 because I will get the green CHASMOSAURUS from Beast of the Mesozoic. This is the original back in 97. It's way bigger. The crest is totally different too. At least it also has 3 horns though. Look at that. Alright. So pretty much there you have it for today. Our CHASMOSAURUS. Let's put this guy in the middle because this is the original. Kenner and also another Mattel. There you go. Beast of the Mesozoic paint job. There you go. There's the crest. There's the back of the crest. I totally mix it with orange and red. This one right here. Then this one right here was the same color, orange and some light mocha, it says. Yeah. So, yep, there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And thank you for subscribing, you guys. Awesome. We'll see you in the next video. Alright, so also in the next video, it's up to you guys. Leave me a comment which review did you want me to discuss. I'm gonna make a description on the bottom. You click the description and you choose. I'm gonna put a number and then you choose which is next. So yeah, we'll do that one, right? All right, thanks guys. Have a great day. Let's check it again one more time. There you go. All right, guys. We'll see you around next video. Bye.